In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products to your Patreon shop. We'll walk through the entire process from your creator dashboard to publishing a finished digital product that appears in your shop tab. By the end, you'll be able to confidently upload and sell things like PDFs, videos, or other digital files to your audience. First, head over to your Patreon creator page dashboard. Make sure you're logged into your creator account. This is your main control center where you manage posts, memberships, and now your shop products. Once you're on the dashboard, look down to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on the Create button. This is where Patreon keeps everything related to new content. When the menu opens, choose the option labeled Product. This tells Patreon that you're not just making a regular post, but something that will live in your shop as a purchasable item. You'll now see a new product page where you can start filling in the details. At the top, type in the title of your digital product. Make it clear and descriptive so people instantly understand what they're buying. Just below the title, you'll see a field for the price. Enter the amount you want to charge here. Take a moment to think about the value you're offering and keep your pricing consistent with similar products you might sell elsewhere. Next, click into the body field and add your main body text. This is essentially your product description. Explain what's included, who it's for, and what someone will be able to do or achieve after using it. The clearer and more specific you are here, the more confident potential buyers will feel. Now it's time to attach the actual digital file. Click on Attachment. A window will open where you can browse your device. Navigate to the PDF file you want to sell and select it. Wait for it to upload completely before moving on. If you'd like, you can also add other elements such as videos, audio files, or images. These can be previews, bonus content, or anything that supports the main product. On the right-hand side of the page, you'll see a panel of settings. Here, you can customize the image preview for your product, choose collaborators if you're working with others, and optionally add it to a collection to keep your shop organized. You can decide whether to make it a drop with a countdown, set a specific publish date, and control who can comment. This is also where you can add tags to help people discover your product more easily. When everything looks good, go to the top right corner and click Publish. After a moment, your new product will appear in your shop tab, ready for your audience to browse and buy.